I just have some questions regarding legal issues about freedom of speech on the internet and public forums such as like a Facebook or a blog or anything like that.
Well, about Facebook. Well, what is your question, first of all?
Well, I have a few questions. It's just kind of regarding the general subject of basically the legal bounds in which people can go on possibly saying libelous things on something like Facebook that's not necessarily being published, but reaching a wide audience of people that could be considered, defamatory material. And I was wondering if there is any legal.
Well, we consider it to be speech, but we don't really even support libel and defamation laws. We don't think that they're, we think they're unconstitutional, basically. But that doesn't mean that you can't be sued for something that you
with, millions of people being able to log onto the web and broadcast whatever they want in kind of an unregulated fashion. Are there any legal parameters that you cannot cross on the internet with something like that?
Well, where you might be able to locate information like that. Have you ever heard of the Electronic Frontier Foundation?
After contacting ASMSU for comment on this matter, I was set up with an appointment with attorney Jim Newton. Jim refused to be on camera, however, he did agree to answer some of my questions. When asked if defamation lawsuits were a common thing that he dealt with, he responded with, "It's not a very common claim. It's mostly reserved for celebrities or more high-profile people." When asked if he would consider that laws regarding internet privacy is a gray legal area, he commented that the media is no different from any other publication, but is definitely being taken on a case-to-case basis. It's a new frontier that we're all kind of discovering, and new precedent must be set in order to establish any hard lines regulating internet content posted.
The farthest that I've really seen as far as like slander and defamation would go is just being some name calling. I've never seen anything that, there are some like character damaging things that if people were to take it seriously, then I'm sure somebody's reputation could take a hit, but I don't know if anything that I've seen would hold up in a court of law as, serious character damage. I wouldn't say that I'm offended by anything people put. I would say that people need to use some more discretion when they post personal details about their lives. Maybe they just aren't concerned with personal privacy as much as they are with sharing their feelings. But as far as content goes, I've never seen anything that's shook me to my core.